Yeah, she said you ain't no good, but you feel so good. She said, what if I could, but I gotta leave you alone.
I was born in Austria in 1822. I served as a monk and discovered the basic principles of heredity through experiments in my monastery garden. My observations became the foundation of modern genetics and the study of heredity, and I've been widely considered as a pioneer in the field of genetics. My experiments showed that the inheritance of certain traits in P follows the particular patterns. In my classic experiments, I crossed a pure variety of peas with yellow seeds with another pure variety of peas with green seeds. Picking up all seeds from the cross, I noticed that they were all yellow. This experiment showed me that the character A green dominates. The yellow variety will have AA capitalized genotype, while the green variety will have the genotype AA lowercase. My next experiment was to plant the peas hybrid from the previous crossing and analyze the results of their self-fertilization. I observed the crossing AA and AA. In this case, they appear yellow and green peas. In short, 3/4 and 1/4 yellow and green peas. From my second experiment, I developed my second law, which follows the alleles present in a heterozygous independent spread when gametes are formed. And from my third experiment, I developed my third law, which states that the pairs of different alleles are combined together independently. My third law only holds when genes are located on separated chromosomes. When genes are on the same chromosome are said caged. From my experiments, I observed 7 traits that are easily recognized and apparently only occur in one of 2 forms. 1. Flower color is purple or white. 2. Seed color is yellow or green. 3. Flower position is axial or terminal. And number 4. Pod shape is inflated or constricted. 5. Stem length is long or short. 6. Pod color is yellow or green. And 7. Seed shape is round or wrinkled. For thousands of years, farmers have been selectively breeding their plants and animals to produce more useful hybrids. Knowledge of these genetic mechanisms finally came as a result of careful laboratory breeding experiments carried out over the last century and a half. By the 1890s, the invention of better microscopes allowed biologists to discover the basic facts of cell division and sexual reproduction. The focus of genetics research then shifted to understanding what really happens in the transmission of hereditary traits from parents to children. To predict what characteristics will occur in offspring, a Punnett square can be used. The Punnett square is a graphical way to show all the possible combinations of alleles given the 2 parents' genotypes. Dominant traits are represented with A capital letter and the recessive traits with A lowercase. A square is divided in 4, and the letters are placed at the top on the side, and one side for the mother and the other side for the father's trait. The ratio is written according to the percentage of the certain trait.
Yeah, she said you